Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. And the first one we need to check is you have the last software version. So open the application, scroll down and go to About. Right here at the top I have the information that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. Also, it can be a problem of audio player, so make sure that you update it to the last version. Let's say you use Apple Music, so go to App Store or Google Play and check if you have the last version. The last one, what we can do is to perform a hard reset. So go to the Bluetooth. Now put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that press and hold this connection button until this LED light until the LED light turns purple. Here we go, we have a purple, so now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. And also the second one, forget. If you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!